Do you run the risk of closing shop because you don't know how to file for annual returns? Most, if not some of us, know a number of reasons companies may potentially run out of business. However, not knowing how to file for annual returns should never be one of them, because it's really simple and I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. All you need is to gather all your financial records such as your statements and receipts, highlighting your revenue, expenses, profit and losses. Then you can either file your returns on the CIPC portal or have someone file them for you. It is a legal requirement for any business registered under the South African CIPC portal to file their annual returns on a yearly basis, as this helps ensure that companies are operating transparently and following the law. But overall, this helps track the company's financial health and determine its taxable income. So if you fail to file your returns within the stipulated time frame, you could end up facing penalties or have your company deregistered, which I don't think that's what we want. Also, CIPC has a rule that if your business is making X amount in annual turnover, you also then get to pay a complimentary fee. However, if you fail to pay within the stipulated 30 days grace period after the anniversary date, you might incur penalty fees on top of the annual return fee. Once your annual return submission is completely missed, only then CIPC will then start the deregistration process of your company.
To access the portal, visit CIPC Self-Services. Log in using your customer code and password. Please note, passwords and security codes are case sensitive. On the landing page, all the entity details will be shown and it will state if the company is annual return compliant or not. If not, click File. To file, you can choose Calculate Outstanding Annual Returns or click File straight away. Then enter your registration number. And if it's correct, click Validate. Verify entity info once more. Then click Continue. Then the outstanding annual returns will be displayed. Type in the turnover amount at the turnover field and click Calculate Outstanding Amount. The annual return fee will be calculated and displayed. Then click Capture Financial Accountability Supplements. Complete the indicated fields. Then choose whether you keep your financial records manually or electronically. Click Continue. Then it's going to send you back to Outstanding Annual Returns. Follow the prompts and click Continue. Complete the indicated fields. If there are any changes to the company details, fill them as required. And then select Add to Cart. There are two payments methods. You can either use your customer account balance or your card. Select an option that applies to you. Then click Pay Now. Read and then accept or decline the T's and C's. Complete debit order or credit card details. Click Pay Now. Provide OTP sent to your cell phone by your bank. The annual return filing certificate will be emailed to the email address on the contact details. It's important to be honest when filing your annual returns in case SASC was to financially audit your company.
I know it can be intimidating at first, but with little knowledge and preparation, this can actually end up being a smooth and straightforward process. Just remember that before starting the process, you have all your necessary documents on hand and you continue to bookkeep all your receipts throughout the year so that this is really an easy and straightforward process. Anyway, let me know below what you found challenging about filing annual returns before watching this video, and let me know what was your take home. When filing your annual, I don't know. I'm finished.